In firearms instruction, we had a draw that was called a speed rock, where it was a really quick shot where you're shooting from the hip in defensive tactics with a firearm. So I have some short video footage, which I think is good, but not good enough to make a full video out of. So I'm going to call these videos either quick shots or speed rock, and they're going to be in fast motion, have almost no commentary, almost like a silent movie, and they're going to tell some type of stories. This is going to be an intro to one of those videos, and in the video I'm snow blowing and shoveling my sidewalk, and I ingest a sidewalk marker, like a pavement marker you have along your driveway. I ingest one of these into the auger on the snow blower, and you'll see me in the video get out of the tractor and try to pull it out, and it's wrapped around the auger shaft, and when I try to pull it out, I get fiberglass splinters all in my hand, and then I finally give up and say I'm just going to finish snow blowing the sidewalk. So what you end up with, it did get it off the auger shaft, but what you end up with is all these pieces of fiberglass stake pieces in your lawn. This is where the stake was. I even hate to hold it without a glove because you end up with splinters in your hand. You get all these pieces on your lawn. So real quick, educational, learn from my mistake. I did not need to put these sidewalk stakes on the outside of the sidewalk. If the tractor goes on the lawn, no harm done. If the snowblower overhangs onto the lawn, no harm done. I really should have put these on the inside of the sidewalk, because obviously if I go over and ingest a boulder or a large plant into the snowblower, that's a real problem. And as you can see, I even nipped this in a severe cold last year, and it killed part of this plant and part of this other plant with a blower. So I need to move these stakes, I need to move these stakes to the inside of the bed, and then I can overhang on the outside and maneuver around on the lawn where necessary. So I hope you enjoy this short video. Leave me a comment. It's only going to be with footage that I don't think is worthy of a full-length video. So I'll do these little quick shots for you. Let me know if you like them, and I hope you do. They're not going to dominate the channel, but you might see one during the middle of the week. I usually post on Thursday night or Friday morning. I'll post one of these maybe midweek to get it out there. Hope you enjoy it. Thank you.